Dang, I got shout outs, shout out, shout out, shout out, a shout out, a shout out, a shout out. Okay, shout out for real though to my girl, Yummy Licious Eating Show. She been coming in first on like all my videos, all my videos, and just making comments just like here and there, everywhere. Yes, girl, I see you. Check her out. She got a channel. If you like and subscribe. Then I want to do a shout out to all my G's that donated. All my G's. My mods with the blue anchors. They've been donating, and many, many more people been donating y'all to the Cash App. So shout out to them. I want to put a list up real quick of who donated to the Cash App. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Bottom of my heart. I still got the money on there right now. So also L Factor again asked, did it dry out my skin? No, it did not dry out my skin. I did have a little spot right here that was like flaky, but nowhere else. So it probably kind of did, but not really where it was noticeable or all over. It was just like one little spot right there. After using the Dawn dish soap on my Sisterlocks, I noticed that my locks were a little drier. Also that it had took all the color that I previously had on my end. So it stripped all my color, and now I'm back to my natural color. It also looking kind of dull, kind of ashy. It's still kind of looking kind of dull, kind of ashy, but I'll be doing a moisture treatment of every day with distilled water or rose water. I don't know, y'all, but Lord help me. Don't use the Dawn without diluting it. Make sure you dilute the Dawn if you're going to use it. But yeah, we're going to work it out. Oh, you going to get clean today. Oh, you going to get clean. That was too much, y'all. You too much. I hope I got my Sisterlocks not playing around. Because it used to be black. Oh, it do look kind of ashy. Let me get some water. Appreciate that, cause no, we can't be out here dusty. The Dawn soap stripped my color. It looks darker today than it did last night. Also, that was my first time ever using that microfiber towel. I got that from the Dollar Tree, so that's why I probably left lint. My Turby Twist towel has never left lint. I also use a black t-shirt more often than anything, but that Turby Twist towel be on point. All my life, been grinding all my life, sacrifice. Hustle, pay the price.